Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Drink this before breakfast, burns 1 pound a day. A maverick Japanese doctor recently leaked the secret ingredients of an ancient Japanese tonic that targets the root cause of deep belly fat and activates a powerful little-known fat-burning hormone inside you that melts away all your stubborn body fat. Discover the done-for-you Japanese tonic to melt 3 pounds every 3.5 days. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews. Firefighter Mike Banner's 45-year-old sister, Susan, lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks with no exercise due to osteoarthritis in her damaged knee. Make sure to drink this tasty, potent Japanese tonic before 10 a.m. to melt twice as much fat as 1 hour on a joint-destroying treadmill. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33.5 pounds of fat in just 30 days by simply drinking this tonic daily before 10 a.m. Just have a quick cup before 10 a.m. to dissolve 3 pounds. Drink this before breakfast, burns 1 pound a day. Drink this Japanese tonic in the morning to burn 3 pounds every 3.5 days. A maverick Japanese doctor recently leaked the secret formula of an ancient Japanese tonic that targets the root cause of deep belly fat and activates a powerful, little-known fat-burning hormone inside you that melts away all your stubborn body fat. Firefighter Mike Banner's 45-year-old sister, Susan, lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks with no exercise due to osteoarthritis in her damaged knee. Discover the ancient Japanese tonic to melt 3 pounds every 3.5 days. Make sure to drink this potent Japanese tonic before 10 a.m. to melt twice as much fat as 1 hour on a joint-destroying treadmill. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33 pounds of cod fat in just 30 days by simply drinking this tonic daily before 10 a.m. Just have a quick cup before 10 a.m. to dissolve fat fast. Ancient tonic melts 54 pounds. Drink this Japanese tonic in the morning to burn 3 pounds every 3.5 days. A doctor from Japan recently leaked the formula of a secret Japanese tonic that burns fat from your brain faster than anything else discovered. Shady figures behind the scenes were scrambling to keep this formula hidden to protect the profits of the pharma and weight loss industries. But the doctor secretly leaked it to the brother of Susan Attlee, a 45-year-old mom of 3 kids, after he saw Susan struck by a sudden heart attack she got from standing up too fast. With this ancient tonic alone, she lost 54 pounds in 7 weeks without exercise due to osteoarthritis in her left knee and without restricted diet. Discover the ancient Japanese tonic mix now before it's scented. Potent Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds. Drink daily. 3,000-year-old tonic drink melts 33 pounds in 28 days. Did you know there's a potent 3,000-year-old Japanese tonic that melts 1 pound of belly fat per day? It's true. It's a powerful Japanese herb mix that's been unknown to the Western public since it was discovered. Mom of 3 Susan Attlee used it to lose 33 pounds in 28 days after she suffered a heart attack from standing up too fast. Greater than the ancient Japanese tonic that melts 1 pound fat every 24 hours. This tonic comes from a remote island in Japan where obesity and diabetes type 2 are unheard of, and where men and women have the longest life expectancy in the world. It's so powerful because it targets the single root cause of belly fat. Those who've used it are already seeing incredible results without adding in exercise or changing their diet. She's still dropping weight. Discover the 3,000-year-old Japanese fat-dissolving tonic burns 1 pound of fat per day. Tonic melts 3 pounds every 3.5 days. Drink before 10 a.m. the most potent fat cell-destroying elixir on the planet. There's a new powerful fat loss solution that's helping men and women effortlessly drop 1 pound of belly fat every 24 hours. That's not an exaggeration. 45-year-old mom of 3 Susan Attlee used this solution to drop 33 pounds in 28 days without doing any additional exercise or dieting. The potent Japanese tonic that burns 1 pound of fat daily. Rena lost 38 pounds in 5 weeks without exercising at all due to her whiplash from a car accident. Taylor had high blood pressure and was getting pains in her knees. She lost 31 pounds in a month and a half and couldn't be happier. This might sound crazy, but they all reported being able to see and feel the fat melt off their belly within the first 24 hours. And the best part is, as long as you drink this Japanese mix every morning, you'll also experience these incredible results too. The most potent fat cell destroying tonic on the planet. Drink before 10 a.m. Drink these herbs before 10 a.m. to burn 1 pound of fat daily. Japanese plant mix forces fat cells to melt. This tonic shrinks the size of fat cells. Recently, a Japanese herb mix was leaked that stunned scientists due to how fast it melts excess fat. How fast? 1 pound of fat per day to be exact. The caveat: you have to take it before 10 a.m. every day. The powerful Japanese herb mix that melts 1 pound of fat daily. By doing so, your body will activate a powerful fat-burning hormone called adiponectin, which when released, forces fat cells to melt rapidly while releasing harmful toxins to your gut, and shrinking your belly in less than 24 hours. People are losing 30+ pounds of fat in a month without changing their diet and workout routine. They're simply drinking these herbs before 10 a.m. Japanese plant mix melts 1 pound of fat daily. The most deadly fat storing protein. How to avoid breaking fat storage. Protein reveals true cause of weight gain. Drink this tonic to shrink your fat cells. This may seem new to you, but there's a hormone called C-reactive protein that, when elevated, is known to cause chronic inflammation and rapid fat storage. And even worse, when left untreated, this hormone will wreak havoc on your body, making it nearly impossible to lose weight no matter how much you exercise and eat healthily. Thankfully, there's a simple and quick strategy to shut it down. And the best part is it'll only take 24 hours before you've lost your first pound of belly fat. The fastest way to shut down the most dangerous fat-storing protein and start burning fat again. P.S. Why would you put up with this? This newly discovered hidden cause of belly fat is silently destroying your digestive system, inflaming your arteries, joints, and even your brain. It's not your fault if you have high levels of CRP, but you do have to act urgently. It's time you showed some respect to your body. How to shut down the worst cause of belly fat takes 24 hours. Title: Heart attack from standing up too fast caused by newly discovered protein type. Inflammatory protein triggers heart attack. Test for symptoms. 48-year-old mom of 3 Susan Atley's dream vacation turned into a nightmare when she suffered a devastating heart attack by the swimming pool. And all because she stood up too fast to save her child. By God's grace, her life was saved by the quick thinking of her brother and the paramedics. But had Susan known of the warning sign that she was at risk of a sudden heart attack from standing up too fast or running to save her child, this would never have happened. The warning sign that shows you're at risk of a sudden heart attack from standing up too fast or from running to save your child, like Susan. You need to know this information because it could save your life one day. And also, because scientists recently discovered a foreign inflammatory protein that's causing rapid plaque buildup in the arteries and around the heart. That's why this is critical information for anyone over 40, woman or man. Fortunately, there's a quick test you can do at home today to see if you're at risk of this deadly heart attack triggering inflammatory protein. It only